Sitting up straight, relaxing your body. Allow yourself to think consciously of sweeping through your body and all tension draining out through your arms, down your torso, past your hips and out your legs, and through your feet. Settling in to the location you're at, your intention set on calm, on inner peace. And as you relax, move your focused attention to your feet and know that flowing in through them, there is a very lovely golden, vibrant light. This golden light moves in, filling the skin, the cells, the molecules and atoms making up your feet. It moves rapidly with great ease, unobstructed through your calves, mingling, healing, restoring flexibility and perfect function in your knees with great ease through your thighs, your hips, and moving through your internal organs and up from your tailbone, shooting through your spine as glorious light moves up through your brain from your spine and out through the top of your head. As it continues moving, circulating with ease through your internal organs, all skin, all muscles and bones, your face, your hair, down your arms, the light flows and flows out through your hands. And breathing in, allowing yourself to become aware that as you breathe, this light is all around your body, equally as it moves through your form. You breathe the light, healing your mouth, your throat, your esophagus, your lungs, shooting from there through your blood supply until you're sitting here absolutely radiant with this golden light, the perfect wellness of your being. And give yourself mental, emotional permission to be at ease as this light, relaxing, relaxing more, blending with the lightness of your being and the life force essence that flows in and all around and through you. And you continue breathing, relaxing and flowing. Be present as this light, as the energy source moving through and around you. Surrender. Surrender. Surrender is the light. is the core of my being, and I align as the light and high frequency I am. Shanti, oh Shanti, oh Shanti, oh Shanti, and moving your awareness off from your body, several feet around your form, through the space you are in, extending further, and see and know that all in this energy space is raised in harmonic frequency with the light that you are, with the light of Source. And you breathe and just drift, experiencing this space. Observe any thoughts, any ideas or images that come. If they are distracting, you let them go, knowing you will tend to them later. And notice if they are a beckoning, a calling of your inner self, revealing truth to you. And then surrender more, the harmonics, and into the love light you are. As your whole, as your core. And stay in this space for as long as you desire. As you do, and the longer you are, your vibration increases and raises. Becomes steady as light essence. Shalom. Peace be.